Before you invest thousands of dollars in an editing tablet that might not fit your workflow or have terrible color accuracy, stop and watch this first. I've spent the last 6 months testing every major editing tablet and pen display on the market, creating illustrations, editing photos, and retouching video. And honestly, some of these tablets will completely transform your creative process, while others are just expensive screens with stylus support. I've dropped updated links with the best pricing in the description below. Coming in at number 5, we have the Xencelabs Pen Display 16, and this newcomer to the pen display market has made serious waves with their artist-focused approach. Xencelabs has created something that prioritizes the actual drawing and painting experience over flashy features, and the results are genuinely impressive for digital artists. The pen and display experience is where Xencelabs really shows their understanding of artist needs. The 16-inch 1920 by 1200 display delivers excellent color accuracy with 99% Adobe RGB coverage, which is crucial for color-critical work. The matte-etched glass surface provides a paper-like drawing texture that feels natural and reduces glare, making this comfortable for extended creative sessions. The pen technology is outstanding, with 8,192 pressure levels, virtually lag-free response, and exceptional tilt recognition that makes digital painting feel remarkably close to traditional media. The battery-free pen feels balanced and natural in your hand, and the included pen case with extra nibs and pen holder shows attention to detail. The 3 express keys are customizable and responsive, though some artists might want more physical controls. What sets Xencelabs apart is their commitment to the professional artist workflow. The Quick Keys remote is brilliant, a separate wireless device with programmable buttons and a scroll wheel that you can position anywhere on your desk for comfortable access. The included artist glove prevents hand drag and smudging. The color-accurate display has been calibrated at the factory, and the color management workflow is straightforward. At around $899, the Xencelabs Pen Display 16 represents excellent value for dedicated digital artists. This is a pen display, not a standalone tablet, so you'll need to connect it to a computer running your creative software. The build quality is solid with an adjustable stand included, and the customer support from Xencelabs is reportedly excellent. This tablet is perfect for digital illustrators who prioritize pen feel and drawing experience, concept artists who need color accuracy, or anyone transitioning from traditional media to digital who wants the most natural drawing experience possible. The Xencelabs Pen Display 16 proves that sometimes focused execution beats feature bloat, delivering exactly what artists need most. At number 4, we have the Huion Kamvas Pro 16, and this pen display delivers impressive specifications and performance at a price that makes Wacom sweat. Huion has been steadily improving their products for years, and the Kamvas Pro 16 represents their competitive push into professional territory with features that rival much more expensive displays. The display and pen technology are genuinely competitive with industry leaders. The 15.6-inch 1920 by 1080 display features 145% sRGB color gamut coverage with excellent color accuracy and brightness. The laminated screen eliminates parallax, making your pen cursor appear exactly where your pen tip touches, which is crucial for precision work. The PenTech 3.0 stylus delivers 8,192 pressure levels with exceptional linearity and minimal lag. I've been using this extensively for illustration and photo retouching, and the pen response feels natural and accurate. The tilt recognition works well for shading and brush control. The battery-free pen feels comfortable with a good weight balance, and the included pen stand with nib storage is practical. The 8 customizable express keys and touch bar provide good workflow control options. The value proposition is where Huion really shines. At around $399 to $449, you're getting professional-level pen display technology at literally half the price of comparable Wacom models. The included adjustable stand is sturdy and functional, and the build quality is solid with good materials throughout. The compatibility is universal, works seamlessly with Windows, Mac, and even some Android devices. Driver support has improved dramatically with regular updates, though some users still report occasional quirks that require troubleshooting. The display connects via USB-C with a single cable solution on newer computers, which is convenient and clean. This tablet is perfect for freelance artists on a budget, students learning digital art who need professional tools without professional prices, or hobbyists who want serious capability without massive investment. The Kamvas Pro 16 proves that professional creative tools don't have to cost a fortune, delivering excellent performance and features at a price that democratizes access to digital art technology. Taking the number 3 spot is the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24, and this massive pen display represents the professional standard that studios and serious artists have relied on for years. Wacom invented the digital pen display category, and the Cintiq Pro 24 showcases decades of refinement and expertise in creating tools for professional creative work. The display quality and size are absolutely magnificent for creative work. The 24-inch 4K resolution display delivers stunning detail and clarity with 99% Adobe RGB color coverage that's been individually factory calibrated. The color accuracy is reference grade, making this suitable for color-critical work in photography, video editing, and print design. The sheer size provides massive canvas space that transforms the creative experience. You can see entire compositions at once without constant zooming and panning. The etched glass surface reduces glare while maintaining excellent pen tracking, and the fully laminated screen eliminates parallax completely. The Wacom Pro Pen 2 is legendary in the industry with 8,192 pressure levels, exceptional tilt recognition, and virtually no lag. The pen feel is refined to perfection with natural responsiveness that makes digital work feel organic. The professional features and build quality justify the premium positioning. The Express Key remote provides 17 customizable buttons and a touch ring for comprehensive workflow control. The multi-touch support enables intuitive gesture controls for navigation and canvas manipulation. The ergonomic design with adjustable stand allows comfortable working angles for extended sessions. The build quality is absolutely premium, with robust construction designed for professional studio use. The compatibility with professional creative software is flawless, with excellent pressure curve customization and workflow integration. At around $2,499 to $2,999, depending on configuration, this is definitely professional equipment pricing. This is a pen display that requires a powerful computer to drive it, so factor that into your total investment. This tablet is perfect for professional studios working on high-end projects, established artists who depend on their tools daily, or serious creatives who want the absolute best display technology available. The Cintiq Pro 24 proves that premium creative tools deliver meaningful advantages in color accuracy, size, and refined pen response that matter for professional work. Number 2 goes to the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, and this powerhouse Android tablet delivers incredible versatility as both a standalone creative device and a pen display for your computer. Samsung has created something that blurs the lines between tablet and professional creative tool with specifications that compete with dedicated pen displays. The display and S Pen experience are absolutely top tier. The massive 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display delivers stunning visuals with 2960 by 1848 resolution, 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and colors so vibrant they almost look unreal. The HDR 10+ support and 420 nit brightness make this excellent for photo and video editing with accurate color representation. The included S Pen has been significantly improved with lower latency, better pressure sensitivity, and more accurate palm rejection. I've been using this extensively for digital illustration and photo retouching, and the S Pen feels natural and responsive for creative work. The screen-to-body ratio is excellent, giving you maximum canvas space. The anti-reflective coating reduces glare nicely for outdoor or bright environment work. What makes the Tab S10 Ultra special is its versatility and complete package. As a standalone Android tablet, you get access to mobile versions of Adobe Creative Suite, Clip Studio Paint, Krita, and thousands of other creative apps. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor with up to 16 GB RAM delivers smooth performance even with demanding creative applications. Samsung DeX mode transforms this into a desktop-like environment for productivity work, and you can connect it as a second screen for your Windows or Mac computer, effectively turning it into a pen display. The quad speaker system is excellent for multimedia work. Battery life is solid at 10 to 12 hours for creative work. The build quality is premium with a sleek metal design. At around $1,199 to $1,549 depending on configuration, you're getting a complete creative solution that works standalone or as part of a larger workflow. This tablet is perfect for mobile creatives who need flexibility, artists who want one device for both creation and consumption, or professionals who need a powerful secondary display with pen input. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra proves that tablets can be legitimate professional creative tools when properly executed. And taking the crown at number 1. We have the Apple iPad Pro 2025 with M4 chip, and this is simply the best editing tablet you can buy in 2025. Apple has created something that combines desktop-class performance, the best tablet creative software ecosystem, and the most refined pen experience available in a package that works both as a standalone device and a professional creative tool. The performance and display are in a completely different league. The M4 chip delivers genuinely shocking performance that exceeds most laptops. I'm editing 4K video, working with massive Photoshop files, and running complex Procreate illustrations simultaneously without any slowdown. The 12.9-inch Ultra Retina XDR display with mini LED technology delivers reference-level color accuracy, incredible HDR performance, and that ProMotion 120Hz smoothness that makes every interaction feel instant. The 2732 by 2048 resolution provides stunning detail, and the display gets bright enough for comfortable outdoor work. The color accuracy rivals professional reference monitors with P3 wide color support and True Tone technology. The Apple Pencil Pro experience and creative software ecosystem are unmatched. The new Pencil Pro with haptic feedback, squeeze gestures, and barrel roll detection provides the most sophisticated stylus interaction available. The latency is so low it feels like drawing on paper, and the pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition are perfectly calibrated. The palm rejection is flawless. I can rest my hand naturally without any unintended marks. The creative software available on iPadOS is exceptional. Full Photoshop, Lightroom, Affinity Suite, Procreate, LumaFusion for video editing, and thousands of specialized creative apps. The workflows are optimized specifically for touch and pen input, making iPad versions sometimes preferable to desktop versions for certain tasks. The versatility and build quality complete the package. This works as a standalone creative powerhouse, but you can also use it as a reference display or even as a pen display for your Mac via Sidecar. The battery life is excellent at 10 to 12 hours for creative work, and the charging is fast. The build quality is typical Apple perfection with premium materials and precision engineering. The keyboard and trackpad accessories transform this into a laptop replacement for many workflows. At $1,299 to $2,399 depending on configuration, this is definitely premium pricing, but you're getting a complete professional creative system that replaces multiple devices. This tablet is perfect for professional illustrators and designers, photographers who need powerful mobile editing, video editors who want flexibility, or any creative professional who wants the absolute best editing tablet experience. The M4 iPad Pro proves that tablets can be primary creative tools rather than secondary devices when you combine proper performance, excellent software, and refined hardware execution. If you're serious about digital creative work and want one device that does everything excellently, this is it.